Hello, Tim again. Please like, subscribe, and comment to this, the Loudmouth Tim YouTube channel. Today I have a new thing to share with you. I was going to my local Target store to stock up on toilet paper today, and I happened to be walking through the furnace filter aisle. And I thought, oh wait a minute, furnace filters, what do? They filter the air in your house that you breathe. 2 plus 2, right? This is the problem we're having with the shortage of the masks for people to wear in hospitals. It's right here. Filtering material. The Filtrate 1900s and 1500s cover viruses. The 1900s go a little further, but the virus thing is what you need. And on the back you have your MERV 13 rating for these and MERV 12 for 1500 rated filters. So either the 1500s or 1900s will work to filter out virus particulates. So there you go. I'm going to take this thing apart, show you how much filter material is in here that you can make masks out of. This is going to be the new hottest thing. We've had our thing with rushing the stores for toilet paper and cleaning wipes. Now it's going to be a big rush on furnace filters. People are going to run to the store. You got any furnace filters? No, we're turn around and run back out. So, get yours now. Quick, hurry. Don't walk, run to your local store. Now I'm going to take it apart and show you what is in here. And this episode is brought to you by loudmouthtim.com, home of online video, the longest running web series in the history of the internet. So stop by loudmouthtim.com and like, subscribe, and comment here at the Loudmouth Tim YouTube channel. Alright, let's continue on. I'll show you what we got to work with here. Alright, look at this. Look at how much filter material is in one filter. How many masks could you make out of this? Well, let's try it out. Let's test it here. I'm going to breathe through it. It works. You can feel the restriction a little bit. But look at all this. Out of one, and it's not even the biggest size filter. This is a 16 by 20. They have 20 by 25s. Look how much is in here. How many masks could you make out of one furnace filter? This piece, I'm holding it up. This piece is 6 feet long. 6 feet long, 20 inches wide. That's over 1,400 square inches of filter material with my very quick impromptu calculations. You put it like this. You can feel the air hitting that. So it says it's going to work. It's rated for virus filtering. So there you go. Run to your store. Get furnace filters. It's the new hottest thing in this fight against the coronavirus. You heard it here first on the Loudmouth Tim YouTube channel and loudmouthtim.com, home of online video, the longest running web series in the history of the internet. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my Loudmouth Tim YouTube channel. Thanks. I'm gonna hang on to this furnace filter because you never know. Might actually need it someday. That was tough to get apart too. I'll just put it in the closet for now. Okay, fold it up multiple times and look how big it still is. Furnace filters.